Good day, my name is Bernardo Altamera, and today I'll be performing a third demonstration of the oxygen administration through the use of nasal cannula and simple face mask oxygen. Before proceeding with the procedure, I'm going to I check the physician's order to know if I'm administering the right medication to the right patient. Hello sir, my name is Jen. May I know your full name and your date of birth, sir? Okay, thank you, sir. Now I'm going to perform a physical assessment and respiratory assessment to my patient so that I will know if there's any presence of abnormalities or irregularities that the patient is presenting. May I have your hand, sir? Okay, so the oxygenation of the patient is 88, which indicates that it is below normal. Now I'm going to assess the respiratory performance of the patient. Sir, can you lean up? Okay. So upon assessing, there's the presence of a abnormality of the breathing performance of our patient. Now, next thing that I'm going to assess is the color of the patient. I'm going to observe if there's a changes in color of the patient, which indicate that the patient is having a stenosis. So the patient is presenting discoloration. So the patient has a cyanosis. Now, next thing I'm going to assess is the room of the patient, if there's any trigger that which may cause harm or an explosion, so that surrounding is safe. Now, next thing I'm going to do is sanitize my hand. And perform and provide privacy. After that, I'm going to explain the procedure to my patient. Sir, as per the doctor's order, I'm going to be giving you a oxygen through the use of nasal cannula and face mask, as your oxygen is below the normal rate. This won't hinder your ability to eat and move, but I would like to remind you that please minimize your movement so that we won't disrupt the placement of the tube. Okay. After explaining the procedure to my patient, I'm going to place the nasal cannula with the oxygen tank. Going to connect the cannula and the humidifier. And to confirm if the oxygen is passing through the cannula, I'm going to turn on the oxygen fan. And there should be bubbles present in the humidifier, and we must feel the air, the oxygen passing through the tip of the cannula. And also, we need to check the proper flow rate of the oxygen. Specifically, it should be 3 to 5 liters. After that, I'm going to place the cannula to my patient nose. After placing the cannula, we will now proceed to the next way that we can we can administer oxygen via simple face mask. We will do the same routine that we have done by placing the tube in the humidifier and ensure the proper flow rate. In 3 liters. After doing that, we will now inform the relative of the patient about the safety precaution. We want to tell them that ma'am, sir, lighting a cigarette is strictly prohibited, even some things that could trigger a explosion or fire in the room of our patient. After doing all of that, we want to assess the patient after 15 minutes to know if there's a improvement or yeah. Wait lang po. Stop mo nga muna. Okay, so after 15 minutes, I'm now going to reassess my patient if there's an improvement, specifically in her vital signs. Okay, so after 15 minutes, the patient presents a normal breathing pattern and the oxygen level of the patient get back to normal. Now, I will now document all the things that I have done and that would be all.